Hi! I have some great ideas for Easter, birthdays, or early Christmas. Out at Target, they have a bunch of great deals on games. They have these electronic games on sale for $15. Here's one of them. And you get this coupon from Target up on the Target coupon site. It's called coupons.target, or just Google it. And this one here was in last Sunday's paper. So $5 off on the manufacturer, and then $5 with the store coupon makes these $5. Then they have a special out there at Target. If you buy those, you get this free. So another great deal is on Battleship Operation or Twister. We have a coupon for the $3 off at the manufacturer, and then $3 off up on Target. You can print a coupon there as well. And they're $10 on sale out there, making those $1. I also picked this up. These are the Marvel superheroes. They're $6.99. That's not a sale price, but it's $6.99. And we got these coupons. Again, print this one at Target, $3 off. And then get this one out of last week's paper, $3 off. Making those 99 cents. These are the memory games. They're $7.09. They're not on sale, but there is a coupon for the manufacturer in this last week's paper for $3 off. And you can print one up on Target's site for another $3 off, making them $1.07. Here's another one I want to share with you. Any Star Wars toy is 50% off. I picked up this lightsaber for 50% off, so I got it for $4. They also have any Disney princess toys for 50% off. And this one over here is Fisher-Price, 50% off on any of those. That includes the Little People and Laugh and Learn, and then 50% off the Mega Blocks. So those are all great coupons as well. Remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.